What's up, traders? I hope you all doing well. I just want to give you a quick update on natural gas, gold, and crude oil. So I'm going to start with natural gas first. I'm going to go through currency.com as well. By the way, guys, if you're interested to join one of my partner brokers and if you're interested to learn more about trading and receiving weekly forex report where you get these zones every single week, forex zones every single week, so that once the market reaches these zones, you take counter trades from with an entry reason. I also send an entry pattern once we have a good entry confirmation. And also, we just took this trade just today, a few hours ago. The market was here. We were quite late, but we had two ATR target. As you can see, our target 1 has been hit already with 1 ATR, and target 2 is about to hit as well if you push 1 ATR above 20 ATR. So looks like we are still in the profit. And of course, for commodity trading, I move my stop loss to break even. That is how I take my trades, and I send these notifications to my VIP members so that with all the risk management instructions as well. So if you're interested to learn more about trading trades like this and weekly forex report, join one of my partner brokers. Minimum of $500 deposits. Once you do that, just buzz me on Instagram. I'll add you in my priority group. If not, that's totally cool, guys. Just make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you receive analysis like this every single day. So let's start our analysis with the natural gas. So before I start my video, let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect the dots. Looking at a strong bullish momentum, the next level I see the market can hit is 7.541. Right, exactly over 161 retracement has been hit successfully. And if you look here, if you're trading on currency.com, the market was here on my previous analysis and closed here with this nice bullish 382 candle. Market opened up in gap right here, and you can see the market is pushed up and looks like it will close here in next 1 hour. So what to expect next from gas, I'll do on Awanda and come back on currency.com in a very short moment. So now as the market just hit 161 retracement and this candle being closed here and above our level of major resistance. So what to expect next? As you can see, the market is bullish, overbought, but the war situation is still going. The gas is expected to be expensive and we are in an uptrend. I only look for selling reason if I have a hit of my next resistance zone. In my previous video, I've said that enter a sell trade if we have a good bearish reason. So what I mean by entering a bearish trade from this zone is if we get a good red engulfing candle that fully engulfs the previous candle. That is what I mean by bearish entry reason, not a small little bearish candle that is just a pullback. So that is what I mean. Like I said, guys, in my single analysis, I can't explain every single thing. I have much rules which I'm putting up in my course, and for the course is on a final stages. Hopefully it will be ready very, very soon. So now as we are above the level of major resistance, that will now act as a level of support. We can expect a pullback. Right here, we can expect push down between our buffer zone. That is our next Fibonacci zone, a pullback zone as well. And you can mark your buffer zones, which is 7.338 goes up to 7.402. So we can expect a pushback in this zone, and then we can expect to hit 7.726, and I will look for buying trades once we have a hit of this yellow zone. That is our next resistance that has been respected in the past as a support and resistance on a higher time frame. If you look back and see, let me quickly show you. So right here, you see that level has acted as a resistance. Market pushed down, pushed up, pushed dramatically up, pushed down. So this zone is a level of significance and the zone I will be looking for taking sell trades from. So at the moment, I'm not looking any selling trade. We can expect a pullback in this zone, in this yellow zone, and market can push up again unless we get some big news about natural gas. If we get some sort of big news, then we can expect a good bearish move down. Otherwise, it's still bullish. So let's check on currency.com. I'll give you the levels here as well. Quickly, we have our next selling zone at 7.843, and that goes up to 8.063. So from where I will look for sell trades, and you can see market is now above the level of major resistance that will act as a level of support now. And looking at the Fibonacci levels, we can expect a pushback between 7.392 and that goes up to 7.475. We can expect a pushback from this zone, and we can get a push up again between this zone. As you can see, the Fibonacci level is also hitting over next level of resistance. So keep an eye on these zones. Once we have a hit of this zone, you can enter either an aggressive way straight away, or you can wait for a bullish entry reason, a bullish pressure like a green candle, an engulfing candle, or a pin bar, or a 382 candle, whatever you want to call it. Let's check gold. So gold, as expected, is bullish, and we have our next resistance zone at 2000, goes up to 2017. So now we can expect a little pullback, and it can still go up to and hit this major level of resistance, from where I will look for sell trades only. So still bullish, only looking for buying entry reason, followed by a pullback. We had a nice take profit here, we had a nice take profit hit already, and we are up to our second take profit soon. So now let's check crude oil. Crude oil is bullish. Let me show you what I've said in my previous video. And if you look at the daily time frame, we are now getting a nice engulfing candle on daily time frame right here. So in a long term, I'm expecting a market to hit at least 107.567. Exactly, I was expecting a long trade from from crude oil, and we also have a 20 EMA crossing 50 EMA. So fast moving average crossing a slower moving average. That is also a bullish sign. So we also got that, and you can see from right after a crossover, the market shoots up, and I will look for a sell trades once we hit 1110, and that goes up to 1113. So once we hit between this pink zone or a red zone, I will look for selling trade either as an engulfer or a double top move from crude oil. Before that, if we get a pullbacks, I will only take a buying trades from crude oil. So that's all for now, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you trade green. Take care.